Alright guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to run some simple testing Facebook ads for your Shopify store for dropshipping. So what I have right here guys is the Facebook ads page. Basically your Facebook ad account. So number one thing you want to get set up is the Meta Business account and then your ads manager as well. So what you're looking at right here is your ads manager. So once you get those two accounts set up, come over to this page, which is the campaigns option here, and then you just want to click create. So as you can see, these are my previous testing campaigns that I've run before. I haven't run ads in a while. You just want to click create here. Now this is what you want to tell Facebook, what you want to achieve out of your campaign. So what you'd want is you don't want awareness, you don't want traffic, you don't want engagement, you just want sales. So click sales, click continue. Now this is your ads campaign settings. So as you can see here, we're on the campaign setup. So you just want to name it your product, basically your product or brand name. So once you've made a name for it, an identifiable name, just come down, ignore this, and then select add set budget. And then this basically means that you can have a specific budget for each ad set you create instead of just the whole campaign. So keep scrolling down and then click next. Now this is the ad set, which holds the individual ads you want. So you just name this broad number one, because this will be broad targeting. That's one of the best ways to test products is with broad targeting. So to scroll down and click website, so drive sales and conversions on your website. Click that, click performance goal, and then click maximize number of conversions. Now this is your data set. This will be your pixel. So your pixel is basically a code linked with your website that can track audiences and their behaviors in order to actually achieve sales. So what you want to do here is go into your Shopify store, go to the apps and download Facebook and Instagram. Now come back here and then you basically just want to click create new data set. So you want to name it. So just name it your product or your brand name. Yep. And then click create pixel. So mine is the Ray Guard number one. Once you've created it, just click next and skip the other options. Set up the ad account, like set up the Facebook and Instagram on Shopify. When it goes over to share data, click enhanced, and then click your specific pixel that you just set up. So if it's not coming up, just refresh the page, then it should come up again. Click it, it will load for a minute. It'll be authorized to run ads. So select it here, and then the conversion event is what you want the customer to actually do. So just go down and click the purchase event. So you just want to click purchase. Don't worry, it'll come up with a warning. That's because you might not have any purchases with this pixel yet, and that's completely normal. Once you start running the campaign, Facebook will actually learn, and once it gains some information about your store and the audience it has connected well with, the warnings will go away and you won't need to worry about it anymore. So basically your daily budget, make sure it's $10. So this is $10 spent on each ad set, not each ad set. And then this is the start date. So if you want it run tomorrow this time, always have it at midnight the next day, just so we can get a full day of testing. Scroll down, this is the location. Preferably you just want one location for each campaign, unless you're doing something really specific, but it's best to just spend with an individual country, preferably your own. Scroll down and then click next. Now we're actually working on the ad itself, so you could probably just name it whatever your ad is. So I usually start with ad number one. So the ad sets hold ads. So this is your Facebook page. Make sure you want to go into to actually like set up a Facebook page for your product or brand. You just go here to the left side, go down to business settings, click business settings, and it will take you to a new page. After that, you just want to go into pages and click add, and then create new Facebook page. Fill out all this information and then click done. It'll show up here. Say you made this one right here. Click view on Facebook. It'll actually take you to Facebook itself, and then click this icon right here and then click see all profiles. And then actually go into that account, click it from here, and it will take you into the signed in Facebook page for this account. And then at that point you can edit the name, the profile picture, and then you can post on it as well. this is where your individual ads will be held. So go back to your ads manager and then click campaigns, and then go back into your original campaign you were editing and click edit. Alright, and then select where we just left off, so the ad, and then go down. So select your page, you don't really need to select an Instagram account, but if it's making you, just create one. So you just click here, you just click create profile, create one, and then link it up. It's really easy. And then just go select manual upload, single image or video, and then this is where you want to put the link to your Shopify page. So if you only wanted people to be sent to your product page, go to your specific product and then copy the link into here and paste it in this website URL box right here. So this is where all the traffic will be sent to. And then for browser add-ons, click none. Then this is where you actually set up your creative. So if you're doing an image ad or video ad, just select your one. Don't worry about any of this, click next. And it'll take you to a page where you can upload your media. So just upload it from your folder on your computer. But for now, I'm just going to do something pretty random. It'll take a while to upload, and just if you want to trim it, just go ahead and trim it here, and then skip and continue. Click next, don't worry about any of that, and then don't worry about any of this yet, click next, and then enhancements, make sure they're all turned on, and then click done. So your ad will be uploaded and ready to go. All you need to do now is just edit your copy for your ad. So for the primary text, you can go into ChatGPT and ask, can you write, so basically you just want to ask ChatGPT if it can write some primary text Facebook ad copy for the specific product you're running. So I'm going to do it for some cologne, just for an example. Can you write some primary copy for pheromone cologne product for Facebook ads? Right. So you just copy and paste whatever you think is pretty good, and then make sure it looks all good here. Then for the headline, that's basically what shows up here. So smell good now. Make sure this is really good, because this is what spends a lot of money on Facebook, just the headline itself. And then don't include a description. And then for the CTA call to action, make sure it's always on shop now. Right, awesome. Okay, so after that, you want to have 3 ads in this broad number 1. So click duplicate and then duplicate. And then basically you just want to go ahead and delete. So we're in the ad number 1 copy. So make sure you name it ad number 2. Ad number 2, and then you just want to go ahead and delete this video and paste in your next video. Alright, awesome. And then you just want to do that again. Duplicate. You want to have at least 3 to 4 ads within each ad set, but they can be the same ads. I'll show you in a second. So we're in ad number 2 copy. You just want to name it ad number 3, and then go down, delete the video, and upload a new one. Done. Okay, so now that we have 3 different ads, you just want to go ahead and publish. It'll just take a second. Click skip here. Now you'll see these are in draft. That just means that Facebook is basically just uploading it to the platform. Now after that, go back to your ad sets for campaign number 1. Don't worry about this one. This is just faulty from my platform. Now click broad number 1 and click duplicate. Number of copies, click 9. You'll have 10 ad sets running. Awesome. And you just want to click publish, skip, and that means you'll be spending about $100 a day for the first day. For the actual test, what you do is see which ads are actually getting sales, which ones have the best analytics, and then basically just turn each ones off that aren't performing as well as they should. So yeah guys, that's how you basically set up to run some testing, and you can name like the different ad sets, the different like going up in numbers. So you can basically just go broad number 1, broad number 2, broad number 3, broad number 4, just so you can identify them easily. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed and learned something. If you have any recommendations, just let me know in the comments.